Good morning, everybody. I'm Blake Linton here with Josh Thomas. We are on a job site today here close to the office. We want to talk to you about our upcoming seminar on October 18th and 19th. What do you have to say about that, Josh?
Yeah, so, we do the seminar twice a year here in Texas. We've changed the format a few years ago to day one, still more of an informational type thing. Day two is at the job site. Yeah. And we just want to take the opportunity to show you this beautiful job site that we're at and just see the state that it's in now, right, versus how it's going to be then, and then the final product. I think it's going to be neat that we can kind of see the progression here.
Yeah, it's kind of chronicle it.
Yeah.
So right now we've got the slab poured. It's been stained. We've got the anchor bolts in. The roughed-in plumbing is ready to go. So all we're waiting to do now is get our crew out here to start stacking logs, and we want to have it we like to have it about 50% of the way done by the time the seminar rolls around.
Yeah, so it's always hard to coordinate. We want it at a certain spot, but houses have to get built when they're ready and so on and so forth. So every seminar is a little different on the stage that it's at. So if you've already been to a seminar, chances are this construction day won't probably be at the same phase that your last one was. And if you haven't been, it's just a great way to see a house under construction. Not everybody wants to build their own house, but I think at least everybody's interested in how it's built. Yeah. And there's really no better way to learn how our houses are built and how it's going to be than to see one under construction with us at a seminar.
I agree with you 100%. So remember, the Satterwhite seminar is October 18th and 19th.
Here in Longview.
Here in Longview. If you want to sign up, you can go online or you can go call the office.
Yeah, there's a few spots available. Probably won't be open maybe for another couple of weeks.
Yeah.
But we'd love to have you get in and see it. This really is a beautiful site. We've had some ones that have been challenging. I don't think this is going to be challenging at all.
This is great.
Weather looks like it's going to be nice. So.
Yep. Y'all tune in and we'll keep you updated as we make progressions.